Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model using wrap command, extruded boss base, and also the circular pattern. So let's start our video. First of all, open a new part file, click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the front plane and sketch. Now draw two circles. Outer circle has a diameter of 40 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 30 mm. Now go to features, extruded boss base, select here blind and type 50 mm. Click OK. Now select the top plane and sketch. Draw one vertical center line, escape. Now go to center point straight slot and from the center draw a line like this and now drag. Go to smart dimension. From this point to this point, the distance is 30 mm and also from this point to this point, the distance is 10 mm. Click OK. Now exit the sketch, go to features and now wrap command. Select this corner, select this center option and in wrap method select this first option. And now in this section select the body. Make sure it is 10 mm. Click OK. See, now we want this feature on the whole body. So select here circular pattern. In the direction 1, select the body and in features and faces, select wrap. Now click OK. See, now assign some material. So select the whole part and in steel section, select here matte steel. So this is the part. I hope you understood about the wrap command and also the circular pattern and extruded boss base command. And also if you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.